What? The line will free your makeup.
I do my makeup. When you start to down to see, yes. Okay. Last I checked it was that.
Should they go through here? Yeah,
can we go down there?
free up space on the...
That's good.
We want to see the hippo.
No, the hippos, you know, they normally come up to this place. I think our ears are going to be
Like Naivasha Country Club. Oh. Perfect. Let me walk around and do the scenery.
No problem. You can even go up to down there.
To the waters. They want to kill me. These people want to kill me. Am I allowed to swim?
Yeah.
Am I allowed to swim?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Now, because it is not within the time limits, let's go and explore. This is the skull of an hippo. It's very big. Yeah. In fact, it can cut my waist in half within one bite. You see the jaws, very big. The hippo is not an animal to joke with. It's very big. I wish I can show you. You see my hand? Huh? Can you see my... Let me see my thigh. It can fit into it. Okay, now this Lake Naivasha. Let's go and see the Lake Naivasha. Okay. Here is a warning sign. You can read yourself. Guests are not required. Beware of wild animals. Here the main threat from wild animals is hippos. You can see the hippo there. That animal can bite you into half. In fact, it's more dangerous than a lion here in Africa. Because a lion, in most cases, lions will hunt their prey. And during the daytime, a lion usually is not used to attacking human beings. But a hippo, if you move closer like I'm moving now to a lake, to their habitat, it may have a young one of a calf. If it senses that you are a threat to the calf, it can charge. And if it charges, it will bite you. You see those two fangs? These two fangs. This one can bite you into half. That's why they are giving this warning. The hotel management does not want to take responsibility of maybe you are bitten by the hippo. It is what? It's clear. But one safety tip. A hippo will always run towards the water when it feels threatened. And if it sees or it senses you are blocking it from getting into the water, then it will charge at you. It will bite you. But it's very rare for a hippo to move out of the water, then charge at you when on the land. Mostly, you see the warning sign. They are saying that beyond this point, between 7 p.m. and 6 a.m. 7 p.m. it is at, can I say it's at dawn? There, it's becoming dark. It's the night time. During night time, hippos will come out of the water and they start grazing. You see this grass, they will be grazing. You see this grass, it has not been maintained, but the hippos have been eating the grass. You can see like here, this is this is not the hippo dung. This is the zebra's dung. This is wild animal. There are also zebras here. This is the zebra's dung. So I will show you the hippo's dung. Hippo's dung is the zebra's dung is like, it's made into, can I say it is like pellets. It's made into pellets, big pellets. You can see those big pellets. That's a zebra's dung. But the hippo's dung, I'll show you later. Just keep watching the video. A hippo will splash its dung. It's like, it's if you have seen a cow dung, but the hippo do spray their dung out. So here they are warning of attack from wildlife, which is a hippo. Let's go and try to find out if you can find a hippo here. Now this is the walk towards the death trap. There's no death trap. I can overrun a hippo. If I see it coming out of the water and charging towards me, I can run. Yeah. You know, when you see, I'm cautious of the, you see here, there is no hippo. But if it charges, I run and climb a tree. It can't climb a tree, but I can't intimidate them and wait for them to charge at me. So here we are safe. Just follow me. This channel will take you to places you have never seen, just from the comfort of your couch. Okay, these are the birds of prey. Here they prey on fish. Okay, you see that bird there? You see that bird there? That one feeds on fish. You see this water hyacinth? This is like Naivasha. This lake has a lot of fish. At a distance there you can see fishermen. I don't see if you can see, but from a distance there, on those dead acacia trees, those are fishermen. They are not licensed, but they are poachers. Okay, these are the lake of the birds of prey. This one is like a duck. It is swimming. I don't know if it's a duck, but it looks like a duck. That bird is swimming. This is like Naivasha. Like Naivasha is very long. It's about 35 kilometers long. So along those 35 kilometers, there are hotels along the shores. For today, we have entered Lake Naivasha Country Club. Lake Naivasha Country Club. So this is their beach now. You know, when a hotel builds along the shore, they have access to the beach, and that beach is, we can say it's private beach now, because here you don't see a lot of people. It's just most activities in the beach are controlled by the management of the hotel. Okay, there is a water back there. It's a distance. I will take you to that water back, but it's at a distance. Okay, let's go and see the beach. You see these boats. If you want a boat ride, you want to explore like Naivasha, you just come here, and you don't come here. You go to the reception at the hotel. At the reception, you book for a boat ride. Okay, you will pay. I don't know how much. We'll find out. Just watch the video towards the end. I'll inform you about the prices. So after paying the boat ride, this is a fully fledged hotel. You can come here and have a good sleep. You can book a tent. They have tents. You can book a hotel room, or you can book a cottage. You can even book a campsite where you can have bonfires and enjoy your life. Okay. In addition of that, you may want to explore like Naivasha and book a boat ride. So these are the boat rides. These are the boats you will expect in Naivasha. They are not big boats. They are small boats because this lake does not have strong winds that can threaten your life. So these are the size of the boats, the standard size of the boats. Okay. The prices about the boats, you'll spend less than $10. Okay. These are the boats, but this one is a bit stable. It's a bit wider. This can carry up to 20 people. This is the white one. Okay. Those are just the boats. Okay. The hotel is called Muthu Lake Naivasha Country Club. This is just like Naivasha Country Club. If you ask like Naivasha Country Club, you will be brought here. Okay. Now this is the boat. This is the platform where you will ride towards the boat. Hey, they have a big boat. You see this? There are double boats. They can carry up to this one can carry up to 20 people. It's a very big boat. In fact, if you have a big party and you want to have a boat ride of up to 20 people, you can come here. This boat is even has a table in the middle. That table you can have your food there and drinks and just enjoy your life. Okay, Naivasha has a lot to offer. Then this one can act as a lifeguard. Okay, they are closed. I think there's nobody who has booked a ride now. That's why they are closed. Okay, this is the birds of prey. There is no hippo here. If you want to see a hippo, it will have a head. You see, the waters of Lake Naivasha have increased nowadays. You see, like that structure used to stand on land, but now it is standing on the waters. Okay, this is the bird of prey. They are just hunting for fish. I don't know the real exact name. There is a day, just subscribe and follow the channel. There's a day I will come here, I will take a boat ride, and then we'll be naming all these birds that are found in Lake Naivasha. You see, Lake Naivasha is expanding. I think the recent El Nino rain made the water too. It's like they have overflooded. You see those trees? Those trees used to stand on dry land, but now they're dried up because the lake has increased. The volume of the water has increased. Those birds are relaxing. They have eaten fish. And now, these birds, they are beautiful birds to watch. They are birds of prey. They eat fish. If they find a dead fish floating on the water, they will swallow it and digest it, so reduce the effects of bacterial contamination. Because if a fish dies and floats on the water, a fish can die out of different causes. It may have been trapped, herbicides from like Naivasha flowers. A fish can die. It's like any living being. So if a fish dries and floats on the water, these birds will swallow it very fast. If they swallow it, they digest it. They will just defecate. They will have reduced the environmental impact. So they are useful. But one thing about them, they're wild birds. One disadvantage about them, they are spreaders of the Newcastle disease. That Newcastle is very fatal to poultry. Those who keep chicken or poultry, chicken, turkey, ducks around Naivasha, this area, this is the Naivasha area, they tend to suffer huge losses from Newcastle, which is spread by these birds. These birds are they're immune to that disease, but if they just fly over and they defecate over your bird's house, or even if they are infected here and the wind blow those are the highlands or the catchment area of Naivasha. If they blow that way, if the wind blows and these birds are infected by Newcastle disease, they defecate here. You can see where they're patching. They have defecated there, or just they can be playing around like that one. That one is on top of the tree. If that bird just breathes out and is infected with Newcastle, that Newcastle is spread through air, and people who keep like just Naivasha town or just Naivasha area is less than 5 kilometers from here. That bird breathes, the air spreads that 5 kilometers. And you have kept your 2,000, 1,000 or even 100 chickens, they will just start suffering from Newcastle. So you have to vaccinate. That's the impact of the birds. But they are beautiful birds. They play a big role in the environment, in the ecosystem. Okay, this is the boat. Now let's go back to. But I want to go and show you the Waterbucks in Naivasha. I don't know the exact name, but they are Waterbucks. Yeah, this is a beautiful place. You can come here and relax. When you have made money at home, you're not coming to relax without money. It's just a problem. Because a small bill you may be unable to settle. But for a weekend, you have to live. Life is for the living. So come here, camp, enjoy a water ride, forget about your family struggles, watch birds, hear those bird sounds, interact with nature, walk on the paver. They have created the paver, this Naivasha Country Club. This paver makes it easy for you. Other hotels here, I told you there were 35 kilometers of beach line in the Lake Naivasha. Other hotels have not made the effort of creating the paper like this one, where you can walk comfortably. Others you will walk on mud. There is no sun in Lake Naivasha. This is a lake, a very small lake. On the beach there is only mud. Okay, now we are going to see the Waterbucks. I'll try and move as close as possible. But you know Waterbucks, they can charge. If they charge, you know how to climb a tree. Run and jump on the tree. But no worry. I'm bringing you just close to the lake. If we watch this video to the fullest, to the end, I mean. Okay, these are trees. They were cut down, acacia trees. This dried because the lake expanded and their roots were not able to cope with the high water content. This is the Waterbuck now. I don't know if I can get closer, but let's try. Okay, it has noticed me. This one is like the male one. Okay, the defunct boats. The birds. See the birds? Just flying away. And this Waterbuck, there are many. You see? These are 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7. Hey! If I were a hunter. But this one are protected by Kenya Wildlife Service. You see these things? These are the floaters. And this is the abandoned boat. This boat may have been found fishing along the, you know, they are the protected areas where the fish are allowed to breed. So this, somebody may have lost a fortune here, losing a boat and a net, and it is banned. It's because he was maybe not following the law. So these are the Waterbucks. See this is a Waterbuck. This animal can charge, but I think it cannot bite me. I can wrestle it down. Okay, this is another Waterbuck. See this one? This is a Waterbuck. It is scared. Let me try to move closer. But it can charge at me. So subscribe. I'm trying to bring you a video. But they are used to people because so many people pass through here. Was I very close enough to these Waterbucks? I think you have seen them. Unfortunately, my camera cannot zoom. This is a raw video. Those are my friends we came with. I want to show you more Waterbucks. These are the boats. These boats, a boat here in Kenya is around 250,000 Kenya shillings. That's about 250,000 Kenya shillings. That's like $2,500. That's a fortune for a family, because an average family raises about 50,000 Kenya shillings. That's around a family for a year can raise about $1,000. So for a boat to be burnt down with a net of 250,000 Kenya shillings, that's around $2,500. It's a lot of money. But they do that way to deter people from. You have to get a license before you can start fishing. This is a Waterbuck now. You see? They are used to people. That's why I'm coming close. I don't know the exact name. Please, in the comments, give me the name of this Waterbuck. It is found in Kenya, around the shores of Lake Naivasha. It's like a big, it looks like a goat, but a big goat. You see this Waterbuck? They are very friendly. These are their calf. I don't know if I move too close to their calf, if they can charge at me. But I don't think they can bite. They can just maybe ram at me. These are the Waterbucks, but they are very friendly. These are wild animals, only exclusive to Kenya, like Naivasha. I don't know if there are other places. Please tell me in the comments if there are other places. I'm trying to move as close as possible to the Waterbucks. These Waterbucks. Anyway, there are many. It's like this resort is taking care of them. These are Waterbucks. There are so many. and they're very comfortable being close to people. Like this one, I'm almost 5 feet away, but this thing can run. Don't be. See this? Wow! Hey, we are going closer to a hippo. A hippo is very dangerous. Hey, I know. You see this? This one with the horns. This is very dangerous. Okay. These are very dangerous. I don't want to move close. This one can gouge me out. Can gouge my intestine out. Wow. A hippo. A hippo is not an animal to joke with. But you see this tree? I have a plan. You see this? This tree has branches there. I'll go watch that hippo. If it starts chasing at me, I'll climb this tree. And there, I'll call the management and tell them I've been chased by the hippo. This animal is no joke. Yeah, this is a waterbuck, a very friendly animal. You can even tame this. You see? I'm 4 meters away, but it's afraid. When its tail is down, it is afraid. But it's a female. You see a male one? That one urinating there. That one is telling me. The male ones have horns. That one is telling me. The one that is urinating, that is showing me that this is its territory. You see? It is even shaking its tail. The males one are shaking their tail. Oh, even the female one. When it was near me, it was afraid. Its tail was down. It had coiled its tail. But when they have raised their tail, they are comfortable. They can charge like this male one. But it is far. Now, you see my strategy. You know when you are going to see wild animals, you have to be safety measures. First, they have this electric fence. It can't pass this electric fence, but they may have switched off the electricity and this electric fence may not be working. So always be cautious. Life is for the living. I love my life. I'm starting a YouTube channel now, and I want you to subscribe. Please subscribe and increase so that I can be showing you this type of content. When you subscribe, you have more subscribers. We have a larger community. From there, I can start earning. Right now, I'm not earning anything, so I'm spending. And I don't have a lot of that. I don't have much. So if you subscribe, YouTube will monetize my account. Then I will be showing you this exclusive content. From there, I can go different places and show you exclusive wildlife. Okay, this is the hotel. Now, I think this is the catch here. They have installed this electric fence, and there's a hippo inside. So, you see, the electric fence is like all around. Okay, this waterbuck is sizing me up. It's looking at me. It may charge, but I have a strategy. I will climb this tree. I will run up that tree. These animals cannot run. So let us move close and see the hippo. You see this hippo? Okay, this one, it's not an adult. This one is not a hippo. They tricked me. This one is they call what? It's a sculpture of an hippo. What? But here I know hippos come in. This is a sculpture. Please subscribe. Then follow the next video under the same playlist I know this channel is very wide for now because I'm exploring different adventures. The next video to come up, I'll show you an hippo. I promise. I'll show you a video of an hippo. Now you see this. It's a sculpture of an hippo. Okay, we don't have to be worried about this. This is a sculpture of an hippo. Okay, a hippo looks like that way, but that mouth, the head is of another hippo, but that body, the torso, is of a juvenile hippo. A hippo grows double that, and they can bite you into two. So, for this today, we're just seeing waterbucks. Let me move close to this waterbuck and see what. Oh no, you see, it's running away. The mud I saw at the other place, that was the mud for the waterbucks. That one was the zebra. Mud for waterbucks. What they defecate, I will show you. These are waterbucks. Okay, let me ask you this somebody. There is somewhere. garden, and this one will know the exact name of these Waterbucks. Let me ask you, we'll know the name shortly. Hi. Hi, how are you? What do you call these animals? What do you call these animals? Waterbucks. Just waterbucks. Are they edible? Can I slaughter one? Eh? At night I can capture one and slaughter. I can't die. It's like antelopes. But they are edible. You can eat them. Eh? Oh. Hizi unaweza zikula hizi. Hizi wanyama hizi. Oh, but nikiiba, nikitaka kuiba. Hiyo ndio shida. Oh. Okay. Hii hapo ni wapi? Hapa hii. Hapo penye huko. Country Club bado. Oh, ni kwa mzungu anaitwa? Eh? Oh. Oh, Country Club ni hii. Na hapa penye niko? Oh. Kwa pita? So hizi ni za pita?
Nakwambia, hizo ni za serikali.
Oh, Kenya Wildlife. Ah, sawa baba.
Sasa huko pande hiyo. Tunatembea hapa, tunaenda huko, tunaenda huko.
Oh, they are wildlife property. Okay, sawa. Mimi natembea tu. Asante. Okay, the guy was telling me, that's the local guy. These waterbucks are property of Kenya Wildlife. You can't hunt them. You can't hunt them unless you are a criminal. You want to capture one of them. Those they are what called waterbucks. They are protected animals, but they are just like goats or deer or red stag from UK. So these animals, you can't hunt them. That's why their population is a bit increasing. They were used to be hunted. Now they stay close to the lake because here they are protected. They can survive. You know though, like that animal, there's a lot of meat. If you leave them to even interfere with the local community, they will spear them or shoot them very fast and slaughter. But that guy told me at night you can slaughter one at night. You know, human beings as a cheeky. You can't create a boundary that can separate human beings from wildlife. Not even from wildlife, from crime. I don't advocate for crime. This channel does not advocate for crime. But he told me, if I was serious, I want to eat one of these, I'll talk with him. He's employed there. He's operating a water pump that is pumping water from the lake. There is a farm nearby. Along Lake Naivasha, there are farms. So that farm was to, I think it's a flower farm. So that farm is the one responsible for pumping. But you see, he interacts with these animals. He told me if you want to eat, Kenya Wildlife is just around the corner. It's like 1 kilometer away. If you come here with your rifle and shoot them. But in Kenya, you should have a special license to have a rifle, and it's expensive for a common citizen. So if you come here, like this one, you see, I'm less than 10 meters away. There is the people. If I want to slaughter one, I just come with a crossbow arrow, and I will just have a perfect shot. But it's not allowed, so you can't have it as a common man. But if you are that cheeky, I don't advocate for that, because if we start hunting these animals, I promise you in the next 10 years they will be extinct. But now, it's good to see them. So you see how friendly they are. Just enjoy the diversity of nature. I'm trying to move close. They are behaving like just domestic animals, but these are waterbucks. Waterbucks. I can't catch one of them because it's not allowed. So let's have a walk through of Lake Naivasha Country Club. Now, let's leave the lake alone and just have a walk towards the hotel and go there, have a coffee. This is our mature hippo. This is how big an hippo can be. That one can bite you into half. In fact, in Naivasha, Kenya, we have Hell's Gate National Park. Hell's Gate is a park, yes, and it has a hiking trail, a very beautiful one. Then there is like Naivasha wildlife. Okay, there is a lot of wildlife they are taking care of. So we have several animals. Okay, follow the channel, please. Subscribe. I will show you a video of a hyena around Naivasha. We have hyenas. We have, so far we have waterbucks, and we have seen in this video. We have hyenas. Then we have zebras. Those are wild animals. Then we don't have crocodile in Naivasha. We have another one. We have birds, several birds, birds that feed on fish. Then we have, they call what? Hares, gazelles, zebras. What else do we have in Naivasha? We have hares, gazelles, wildebeest, antelopes. Another one we have is waterbucks. Those are 5 animals. Then we have zebras, hyenas. Okay, those are 7. We have 7 of them. I will be showing you. Please follow the channel. There is a day I will take you very close to each animal that is found in Naivasha. So if you are a wildlife enthusiast, this is your channel. Love nature, relax. This is a relaxation channel where you don't feel like getting out of your home in the weekend and you want to see wildlife. You want to see the lakefront. This is the channel. You see the lakefront view. Okay. I think this is the low season for the tourists because most of the activities is like they're dormant. Okay. Hi. Poa. Okay, this is the bamboo tree. Now it is around 5. Yeah. This is a bamboo tree. You are closing. This is a bamboo tree. Bamboo. Okay. This is the pop. It's not the pop. I think it's a cactus tree. Okay, this is the walk. This establishment has tried at least to put a paver. Other establishment you will be seeing. You just walk on the grass. But it seems like they don't have to. They're in their low season. You see those? Let's move closer. You see those facilities? It's like they have no people. You see? No people, no occupants. which means no business. You see? I don't know what's wrong with the hotel business, especially in Kenya, in Naivasha. They will start with a high note. There will be so many visitors. But with time, I don't know the name of these animals. They look like ducks. Okay, now there is a those are cottages. I think if they have been booked, they're private. I can't move close. You see that? But I've seen a monkey there. Let's go see a monkey. I don't care. If they decided to keep me out, I'll just be out. See that those birds? They're excellent swimmers. Those are excellent swimmers. We're going to see a monkey. Okay. In my list of wild animals in Naivasha, I forgot to talk about monkeys. Monkeys. You see this one? This one is running on the trees. Okay, they're making noise. You see the monkey. If they were the Hadza tribe, they will have eaten this one. Okay, this is the monkey. You've captured our first. Okay, you see how it's jumping. These are two monkeys. You see how it is jumping. Small monkey. Hey, this one is holding food. It's holding a piece of food. Chupoti. See that one? That one is holding food. Let me not disturb it. This is a walkthrough. You see this one? Let me try and move close to this. It's running away, but this is a baby one. There's adults on the roof. Those are monkeys. These are private cottages. See those numbers. So if you come and book, this one you will expect. Okay. This is the monkey. Let me try and catch one. This one is a baby. Mind your footsteps. Footsteps can disturb the monkey. Oh, they're on the rooftops. You see the baby there? Okay, hey, that one is giving it priesthood to suck. Wow, these primates are wonderful. I don't want to shout because here is the residential area. This one is carrying a baby. Okay, now we are at the close range. You see that monkey? That one is very close. Now it's running away. Wow. So are the monkeys. Follow the channel, subscribe, and we'll be showing you a lot of monkeys. This is very close now. You see? If I had a banana, I will have given it, and it will have become one of my friends. This one is very small. They're like rodents. Hi. Hi. Wow, these are the monkeys now. I don't know the exact name of these monkeys. I will update later. You see these monkeys? Is that one? It's not even afraid of me. That one. This is like Naivasha resort. Let me go and see these birds. I don't know how they are called. This one I don't know. This one I don't know how they are called. I'll update you. There will be a specific. This is where bonfire or passion. I think this is a bonfire. Those are just have fire in the middle. Then sit on those seats. Those Maasai themed seats. And you enjoy life. This is a floodlight. Okay, now I'm back to my people. They're enjoying, but they're enjoying. These people are enjoying. Okay, I don't know. I can't capture other people, but let me capture my whom we came with. The monks used to people. Smile. So the people we came with. Sarah. Hi. Okay, these are the individual rooms. Can I call them the cottages? In Lake Naivasha Country Club. This is the theme. This is the vibe you'll get here. See those rooms? You'll have your individual room. You can stay for a week, 2 weeks, and enjoy with your girlfriend. Let's not cheat. Men, they are the one who should spend for the cottages. You'll be paying for the cottages. You'll be paying for the rooms. You'll be paying for what? Because you are the one who is taking care of your girl. If you are a girl watching, sorry I may offend you, but your man should be the one paying for this. If he's not paying for them, stay at your home till he saves enough money. Yeah. Because if a woman pays for this, and you are the man, I don't know, but it sounds awkward. A man is the protector. A man is the head of the family. A man is the one who to decide. Anyway, there is a power women have. They know how to choose. You see, a woman can come here and say this roof and ground clearance is very short, so that one is not healthy. That's a valid point because they are designers. They take into details. But a man spend your money. If you can spend your money, kudos. Let me not get into that. What is this? I think it's a conference hall in Lake Naivasha Resort. Let's go close. Conference, Acacia Conference Hall. This is a conference hall. Yeah, so many people can come for a conference. Okay, this is the parking. I think you are almost headed to where we started. Let me take the conference hall from a distance. Pap! That's the conference hall. It's a big one. Okay, these are the cars of the guests. I feel like just crossing through the grass, but I'll be offending. Let me just use the tarmac. Don't want to offend. Don't want to be rude. If you have some cash, this is just a, I think it's a, if it can go far, it's be at least, it's just an average hotel. You can come and spend with your loved ones during the weekends. You see that one? There is a bird nest, a very big one. That's a very big bird nest. These are the birds of the prey that feed on fish from Lake Naivasha. There's a fountain. What does a fountain symbolize? Please comment. I don't know. You know, here we are helping each other or educating each other. What does a fountain symbolize? Okay, these are the facilities they have. Read for yourself. There is a reception. Chetty, I don't know what is a chetty. It is a boating, swimming pool, visitors parking, conference room. There is a children's playground. It's a beautiful environment. Hi.
Hi.
I'm just walking around. I don't know what are these. I should have asked that lady I created because she seemed friendly. This is our car. We came in this car. Don't have to be a big car to tour Lake Naivasha. No. What I'm trying to. Can I post this video? I think I should post the video because I've shown you almost everything you can see in Lake Naivasha. This is a resort. It was very peaceful, very friendly. Lake Naivasha Country Club. My people, my camera is not perfect, but you can see. If you are one of our subscribers and one of who would like to support this cause, you can sponsor with a powerful camera and offer your recommendation. And I'll bring you Kenyan wildlife to your doorstep. Not even your doorstep, to your couch, to your TV screen, so that you can see, then comment. This is it. Now I've been walking all through the Lake Naivasha resort. Kwaherini means bye. Bon voyage. That's a Germany. Germany meaning go well. Is it bye in English? I speak. These are the washrooms. Here is where I can wash my hands. There is flowing water. There is soap. And here is flowing water. Okay, I don't have to. Yeah, you are very comfortable. You can't turn out of the tissue. The bar. What type of coffee starts? Coffee gani hiyo? Eh?
Brewed coffee.